So hello, I'm here at Noel's place. What's this place called, by the way? Huh? Hebel. I'm here at Hebel, at Noel's place, my best friend's husband's place. So he has a good collection of plants. So he's going to give a tour of his plants. So yeah, let's look around.
So I have just to tell you more about what I do. I collect plants and what they call a plant enthusiast or a plant collector. So I have about 200 species of plants in my house. So I collect so-called rare plants from the aroid family. Just give you a tour. So,
Sure.
So let's start with some very interesting ones. So this is one plant that was trending quite recently. This is called a Philodendron Jose Bono.
Okay.
What's unique about it is it grows with this white variegation, which slowly kind of fades as the leaf grows older. It's a mature plant, and this is another very popular foliage anthurium called Anthurium nymphifolium. These grow like really massive, have really large leaves. Here you have another species of plants. This is what you call a Monstera pinnatium. So this grows, when it grows bigger, it's a juvenile right now. When it grows bigger, it gets fenestrations or slits in the leaf.
Okay.
This is another philodendron. It's called the Philodendron bipennifolium, I think, or the violin philodendron. So it has the shape which kind of looks like a violin.
Okay.
And this is a creeper, of course. The idea is for it to grow and cover this. This was a very sought after philodendron until recently. This is called a Philodendron silva hastatum. It's beautiful because it has this lovely bluish leaf.
Okay.
And it is also a juvenile. This particular philodendron is a hybrid.
Okay.
This was hybridized in South India. This is called a Philodendron Kerala hybrid. It has really nice long leaves like these, and of course this is a creeper. And this is, and also here I have two rare plants, as they call it. This is called a Philodendron brantanium. It's a very pretty plant. It's a very rare one, quite popular right now in the hobby. And another really rare plant which is very popular. This is called a variegated Burley Max philodendron. So I think these are going about 5,000 rupees a plant around this size. This too.
Okay. It's quite a lot, huh?
And this is one of my favorite plants. So so getting back to these plants, I'll just show you some of my favorites. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram at Noel Barnabas. Okay. So this is actually one of my favorites. It's an alocasia. They call it the green shield or Cleopatra, I think. These are a couple of few that I'll glance through. This is a very famous anthurium. It's called a crystallanium. Foliage anthurium. You can see it's really beautiful leaf. This is also a quite collectible plant or a rare plant. It's called a Monstera dubia. And yes, so those are a couple of anthuriums and philodendrons. We have a couple of orchids here, Phalaenopsis. That's another. This is philodendron hybrid here. And this is a very popular begonia, the Begonia maculata. I think these were selling for about 2,000 rupees a plant last time I checked. So these are a couple of my propagations which I do. And here, here's a plant which I really like. This is supposed to be the second largest philodendron in the world. This is called a Philodendron giganteum.
It is
really pretty. So this is actually a juvenile. This will grow much bigger as it grows old. These are a couple of ferns which are really rare. This is the blue star fern. It's a very this one. It's a really rare fern. Blue star fern. This is a very popular anthurium which grows really large. It's called the Anthurium fastomirande. So they grow really big and bushy. It's kind of flowering anthuriums here, which I do like. A purple flowering anthurium. A few other ferns. This is was a very popular philodendron, the dark lord. This is another orchid, the Oncidium orchid, if I'm not mistaken. This is vanilla beans. Vanilla, not many people know, is an orchid.
Oh.
This is a vanilla plant. It's the orchid creeps, and hopefully one day I'll get vanilla beans.
Out of it.
And this is a really popular fiddle leaf fig, which everybody sees on Instagram. So this is what it is.
So it will grow taller than that?
Much taller. So my idea is once it reaches this height, I'll chop it. So once I chop it, it'll branch into two.
Sure. It will look great.
So this is a philodendron. Sorry, no, this is the
Fig.
the fiddle leaf one.
Oh, fiddle leaf.
Fiddle leaf fig tree. This is a very unique passion fruit plant. It's called the Passiflora trifecta, I think.
Okay.
It's all the common language is a duckfoot plant. So
Duckfoot, okay.
Yeah, so this is from the passion fruit family.
Oh.
It will not fruit, but it gives beautiful flowers and has this very lovely leaves. This is the ever popular variegated monstera. So this is a really pretty monstera, juvenile of course. I have two of them. This is they're growing completely white leaves. Hopefully I'll get leaves with more green in them.
Oh, it looks white for now. No?
Yeah, it looks white for now. And these are some of my prized alocasia. This is an alocasia.
Yeah, it looks really
longilopoa.
beautiful. Yeah.
It's beautiful here, and the backside, the underside of the leaf is purple.
I see.
It's really pretty. And this is the
This one also. Oh my God.
alocasia too. This is the
So
black
pretty.
velvet or the Regina, I think. This also has a purple underside, which is very pretty.
Are these expensive?
This is rare. This is commonly available now. You get them in the market quite
I see.
frequently. Summer orchids. This is a very unique anthurium. This is called an Anthurium pediatoretium. It's a juvenile leaf which is really cute. Another alocasia. This is the alocasia silver dragon. It's a very pretty alocasia. More orchids here. And these are some really nice philodendrons. This is the Mamey,
It looks
which
nice.
is pretty rare. This is the gloriosum, which is pretty rare. And this is a very uncommon plant. This is called a Monstera Brazilian common form. So it's a very uncommon plant. Very few specimens in India, and I have one of them.
Okay, lucky you.
This is a Monstera borgesiana, which is quite common.
It's growing into the neighbors.
Yeah, it's a beautiful plant, and these are one fern which I love a lot. And right here is a very popular philodendron called the Bilite, which is also quite an expensive plant. What's unique about it is its stems are orange, which makes it really pretty. And here are some really popular anthuriums. This is quite a rare anthurium. This is a crystallinum with black form, which is very rare, and not very rare but rare. And this is, I think, crystallinum silver hope. I'm not
Aren't
sure.
they similar? It does
They're all
look similar.
different.
Okay.
This is called a crystallinum. This is a silver hope. This is a dark form with the leaves are black. This is also an anthurium. This is an anthurium bakerii. Yes.
Okay.
This is another anthurium called the Clavinarium, which has a very leaf that looks just like a heart. Very pretty. This is the old Monstera deliciosa. And yeah, that's some of the plants I have back here. I want to make it look like a jungle, so we have.
Sure. It does. It already is looking like a jungle. You're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you.
Yay.
So now we'll go and see some other plants in the
Sure.
front.
And
Back to more plants. So
Okay.
these are two of my really favorite orchids. This is two phalaenopsis which are flowered, and they're really pretty.
Yeah.
So I collect orchids, and the unique thing about my orchid collection is all my orchids have a baseline white color. So I collect white orchids with other colors. So this is white and yellow, white and purple, and most of my orchids I collect have a base white color. That's my collection point.
okay.
Now this is quite a uncommon plant. This is called Philodendron stagifolium. Not many people have this philodendron. I think I got this from a collector in Delhi.
Okay.
And this is one of my favorite anthuriums. It looks like a bat. This is the Anthurium macrolobium. It's a hybrid between the crystallinum, which we saw a couple of minutes ago, and that very small leaf that we saw, which is the Anthurium pediatoretium. And this is called the king anthurium. The anthurium.
Where's the king?
This
king,
one.
king.
It's Anthurium vhii. I believe they're really popular. I think these plants are selling for about 25 or 30,000 rupees a plant. So I'm lucky to have one this size. And these are one of my favorite species of plants. These are called Homolominas. So this is the green one. This is the Leandii. Both are from the same family, different species.
I like this one more.
no?
Yeah.
This is the silver Homolomina, again the same species. Then we have the black Homolomina here. And then we have the emerald green Homolomina here. And we have a variegated Homolomina right here. It's not showing much variegation, just very little. Hopefully you should get variegated in time.
Okay.
And here, this is a really piece de resistance. This is the largest variegated philodendron in the world. This is the Philodendron giganteum variegated. What's unique about this is every leaf has a different type of variegation. This has more yellow, this has more white, this has more green, so every leaf is unique.
Can see that.
Then we have some peperomias, which I really like. Again, a couple of ferns and calatheas, more philodendrons. And we'll go back to that side where I think I have some lovely orchids. Other philodendrons. This is a lovely slipper orchid. Just came into bloom. Beautiful orchid. I really love this. Looks very unique. This is two philodendrons right here. This is called a philodendron as a hybrid. This is a lime fiddle. And this is the green dragon. You can see they're kind of different. This has a little variegation in it. And this doesn't. So these are two plants right here. And these are a lot of begonias here. Really don't know the names of it. And this is a work in progress, Abhaya.
I see.
This one. It's another philodendron here called the Larsen. Philodendron Larsen, if I'm not mistaken. And this is another. They basically more or less look alike, but they're different. This is a Variatium. Summer plants here. Another very. This is another Anthurium, which is a hybrid between the Magnificum and something else. And this is my latest plant which I got. This is a carnivorous plant. This is a pitcher plant.
Oh.
The pitcher is dried here. But usually, here's a new pitcher forming here. So the pitchers form and the flies go inside and they get trapped.
It will grow bigger than that, no?
Yeah, it will grow bigger. Just waiting for that to happen.
Okay.
And oops, something dug up this plant. Back in.
These anthuriums, I think, are more common.
These are the common, but the unique thing about this anthurium is the flower emerges red and the flower turns to green. I don't know, this is a weird plant, but I really like it a lot.
Okay. And this also is nice, this one?
This is a really nice plant. This is called a Cerberus marbilis. So this is a juvenile form. This leaf changes as it grows and it's a creeper. So usually I'm hoping that it'll attach to this pillar.
I see.
And as it grows up higher, it will most probably change it becomes more like a monster that the leaves kind of split.
I see.
It's a very unique plant. Sorry, the plant just got uprooted.
Okay.
Back. And yes, we will see some more plants. So these are another bunch of my plants. These are some of my favorites. I like ferns. So these are called maidenhair ferns or Adjuthenium. So this is one variety. And this is another here.
It looks pretty.
They're actually quite delicate and difficult to grow, but I'm quite happy these are doing really well.
Yeah, it
These
is.
are one plant which I've been having trouble with. As you can see, there's a different species of Adjuthenium here which is dying.
Oh.
And here's another species right here which is again quite different and delicate. I think this needs to be watered.
This is doing well.
Very pretty, yeah. And right there is possibly one of my favorite bunch of plants. They're called staghorn ferns. So we have 4 different species of ferns there. So each of these 4 plants are different species. So they grow really, really big.
Okay.
And these take a long time to grow. So for them to reach their full potential, it will probably take 10 or 20 years. But they're really, really beautiful. And this is probably my biggest plant that I have. This is called a Thanatophyllum. Pretty.
Yeah.
Nice big leaves. This looks just like this, but this is a different species. This is Thanatophyllum. This is the philodendron. And in between here I have like 2 plants which are really sought after. This is the philodendron melanochrysum. The last time I think somebody sold this was for around 19 to 20,000 rupees.
My goodness.
This is a philodendron diflexium. Hardly available, but it's a juvenile right now. It looks quite different when it's mature and really beautiful. It's a creeper.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite plants. It's called a philodendron gigas. This is also going for about 10,000 rupees. It's a beautiful velvety leaf.
So it will grow bigger?
It will grow bigger and creep up.
Ah, I
We
see.
have a couple of orchids here. Again, all these orchids, the color of the flower will be white with something else. It's a very rare and a plant which I haven't been able to identify. It's a monstera too. So some of the plants are getting hallucinations, some are not. But this is just a juvenile. I know as it becomes an adult, it will change. This is some of my favorite plants. This is called the Xanadu. It's Philodendron Xanadu. So there are two types here. This is the green form, and this is the golden form, which is quite pretty. This is another philodendron which has chocolate leaves. It's called the cardinal black. This is alocasia. And right over here is a really, really popular plant, the pink princess, which is growing pretty big. And coming up to here, we have one of my favorite plants, which is the Alocasia micronesia variegated. It's beautiful plant with variegations and get these huge leaves. We have a beautiful new leaf here.
Yeah.
And that's some of my collection. And that's a common Monstera adansonii. But as it grows bigger, its leaves are just gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love them. It's gorgeous. That's a bunch of my plants. And like I said, follow me on Instagram to see more of them.
So if you're watching the video, do follow Mr. Noel.
It's Noel Barnabas, at Noel Barnabas. That's me on Instagram. So a lot of lovely plants there.
Okay.
More to come.
All the best for your future endeavors. You have such an amazing collection. I'm quite very impressed with you. You're doing a great job. Yeah. Thank you for taking us through the plants.
Plant tour.
Yeah. It
So
was
we're going to come back and get more plants.
sure.
Next time, get back.
Yeah. Thank you for the tour.
Welcome.